Hi Mars, and welcome to Religious Education at Home. This is just a short video to help you navigate the site. On our homepage, you'll see the weekly task is stepped out for you. Each week, you're required to complete one prayer workshop. The prayer workshops are located up the top under the workshop taskbar. The workshops include imaginative contemplation, meditation, music, art, and nature mandalas. Each week, you are to complete one of these workshops in whatever order you like. If you want some help with how to schedule an order, we also on the home page have structured one for you if you'd like to use this. The workshops are set out, if I go to art, as follows. Each workshop has a range of text for you to read, images for you to view, and whenever you see the tick, a task for you to complete. Each task is stepped out for you. All you need to do is follow the steps, work through the task slowly and thoughtfully, and be open to new experiences. At the end of each workshop, you need to complete your year level's Google Reflection form. The Google Reflection form is your formative assessment for this unit. The questions ask you to reflect on the workshop you participated in. Your answers will be read by your religious education educator and form, as I said before, part of your formative assessment for this unit. The links are located at the end of each of the workshops. So if I move through music, you will see the link to the Google form, or underneath the taskbar tab, Google Reflection links. If I come to the Google Reflection links and click on Year 8, for example, it will take you to the following Google form site. You need to put your answer, your name, choose your educator, and then go through and answer the questions set out for you. At the end, you submit this form and your RE educator will take some time during the week to read and provide you with some feedback. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, please contact your religious education educator.